Hello guys, welcome to another Choreo tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post a message to your Slack channel, then get the conversation from the Slack channel. In order to do that, I'm going to use Slack connector available on Choreo. First, we need a Slack account. I'm going to use my Google account to create a Slack account. If you already have a Slack account, you don't need to create a new account. You can just use the same account that you already have. Information technology will be my first channel, which I am going to show you how to post a message. Adding a teammate actually optional. I'm just going to add one member to my team. We need user auth token to connect with Slack. In order to do that, you can simply follow the Slack module documentation available on lib.ballerina.io site. I'll add the link in the description below. Okay, now I'm going to create a Choreo service. Let's call this service Slack sample. Our first resource will be a post request which will post a message to our Slack channel. We don't explicitly need to return anything here. Let's just return a string value. You can just drag and drop the Slack connector available here, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm just using the source code view to show you how to import the Slack connector and post a message to our Slack channel. Let's import the Slack module which is available on Ballerina X/Slack. Then I'm going to create a connection with the user auth token I have retrieved from the previous steps. I have already added that token value as a configurable variable on my Beyond Integration organization. I hope you have already familiar with this stuff, so I'm not going to repeat those stuff in this video. So I'm going to quickly show you how to post a message to our Slack channel. Now I am creating a Slack client using Slack config configuration. To post a message to our Slack channel, we need the channel name. So I'm going to copy the channel name from here and use that as the channel name parameter value. As the chat message, let's give hello Choreo. This value will be the chat we are sending to our channel. In here, I am going to use post message method available in our client. Alright, now we have completed the implementation on our post method. Let's run and test our service. I'm going to copy this curl command and invoke this using the postman. Since we have already hard coded the chat value on our code, we don't need to give any parameter values here. After we invoke this service, hello Choreo message will be appear on the Choreo Slack channel. In Choreo Slack connector, there are so many methods available. To get the conversation history, I am going to use get conversation history method in order to retrieve our previous message. In this method, we need to pass our channel name and the time period which we need the channel history. I'm going to implement a separate get resource to get the channel history. I'm going to skip this video to the code completion part. Then I'll explain you the implementation of get resource. This is the get conversation resource which retrieve the chat history. In here, I'm using the same Slack dev token which I was using on my previous send chat method. I'm using get conversation history method in our Slack client. I'm not passing the timestamp here, which is not mandatory. Then I'm retrieving the thread and I'm just logging the chat messages I'm retrieving from the method call. Let's do a run and test and invoke the get conversation method. Let's invoke the get conversation method. As you can see on the result, the payload is received from our channel. The hello choreo message is there which we sent earlier. That's the completion of our tutorial today. It's actually a short tutorial. I just wanted to show you how to use the Choreo Slack connector. Our next video tutorial will be linked into this video as well, because I am going to talk more about the observability. Then I'm going to cover some analytics available on the Choreo platform. So I'm going to use this service as a sample to cover those stuff. Hope you have learned something new today. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, and if you have any concerns or queries, please put a comment below, and subscribe to the channel will be really appreciated. Have a nice day.